Hey everyone, welcome back to Aston Co. Today we've got an exciting comparison for you. A real versus fake Gucci men's messenger bag. But whether you're a collector, fashion enthusiast, or just curious, you'll want to stick around for this. So let's dive right in. Gucci bags are known for their craftsmanship and iconic style, but with the popularity of the brand, there are a lot of counterfeits out there. So, how can you tell the difference? First up, let's talk about the materials. So authentic Gucci bags are made from high quality leather and canvas. You'll notice the stitching is neat and consistent, and also check the logo font because real Gucci logos are sharp and precise, and the inlay is very clean. So in front of me here we've got two bags depicted. So I've got on the left here, if you guys can't tell, the highest quality knockoff Gucci bag, so which will probably cost you around 250 Australian dollars to buy brand new. And then on the right we've got the smaller version, so it's the same bag, just the smaller version, the authentic version from Gucci, which retails around 2,500, 22 to $2,500. I can't remember exactly. I haven't checked for a while, but it's about 10 times the retail price of the knockoff version. So first up, let's talk about the materials. So authentic Gucci bags are always made from high quality leather and canvas, and also the hardware and the zips, the color, the bag strap. A lot of things come into play when you're looking at the authentic versus the non-authentic version. So as you can see here in front of me, this is the knockoff version. Have a look at the print. It's executed actually really well. Executed exceptionally well. They've done a good job on the overall finishing, attention to detail, craftsmanship, even as far as the smell goes. The leather feels pretty kosher, and to an unwitting eye, or if you weren't to know what you're looking at, it would definitely fool the average individual for sure. Even as far as the feel, it's almost, I mean, there are differences, however, you can tell. So we'll talk about the strap. So the authentic Gucci bags have a high quality leather strap that feels smooth and durable. And also what you'll notice is it's very, very flexible and much thinner than the fake counterpart, where it feels like dry, feels like quite a cheap material in comparison, even as far as the leather shoulder strap there. This feels very supple, flexible, whereas this is quite stiff, rigid. I mean, they look the same, so you won't be able to really tell. Cover that up, there you go. You can have a proper look at that. So the stitching on the strap should be even and neat. On the other hand, fake bags often have straps that feel cheaper, and they may have uneven or sloppy stitching and finishing. Also pay attention to the strap hardware. Real Gucci bags have sturdy engraved hardware that matches the overall quality of the bag. So I'll just show you here. Even the engravings on the hardware. Yeah, it looks pretty nice. Feels pretty nice. But in comparison, it feels much smoother, much more durable. And even the finishing on your end buckle tag is absolutely perfect, immaculate, lined up. Whereas this one is a bit sloppier. It's not exactly the same. It's not as well executed, finished. Yeah, the finishing on that's definitely not on par. The tone of the GG in the bag is slightly off. However, it's almost impossible to actually tell from the naked eye. So as I was touching on, the hardware is immaculate, sturdy, engraved well, and it matches the overall quality of the bag. So moving on to the actual components, individual components of the hardware and the hardware itself. Genuine Gucci bags have a high quality metal hardware. It feels absolutely solid. You can see it's slightly thicker too, the actual zipper. So the zippers and the clasps are engraved with the Gucci name as well. And don't forget to check inside for the labels, as authentic ones have a specific font and spacing. So as you'll see here is the Gucci logo, and you've got your serial numbers on the bottom there. I've just got this in there to keep the bag's shape. But I've just got the authenticity tag still attached to the bag. You can see the engravings. And then the engravings on this one. Oh, not bad. And also the execution of the finishing on the strap ends of both of them. So you can see that on the knockoff, the zipper, and you got your Gucci tag as well. It's a lot harder to lift up to actually see as well. The other one just comes up easily, but the tag, there's also depicted serial numbers. And one thing I will find on the authentic versions of the bags is right inside of the actual bag on the tag there, you can see there's a little sort of hallmark or lettering. So on this one you can see it clearly. It's got a Y and another stamp on the bottom of that, just there on the hardware. And on the bottom of the tag also it says Gucci, executed really well. As I was showing, the finishing on the end links of the bag. So you look at that. Absolutely clean finishing. And then compare it to this one. Even the color you can see there, right there, in comparison. And the GG pattern isn't as pronounced in the original one, actually. The knockoff one, it's a lot more pronounced. Well, in the earlier replicas, so the low grade replicas is still really, really pronounced. In the higher grade ones, not as much, but still a little bit more. I don't know if you guys can tell from just... Yeah, it's a bit hard. It's a bit difficult to pick up on camera, but there is a slight difference if you're one to look at the finer details of things. So lastly, we'll consider the price and where you're buying it from. So if the deal seems too good to be true, probably is. So lastly, to consider the pricing. So, and where you're buying it from. So if the deal seems too good to be true, probably is. And always buy from a reputable source. Even eBay now has an authenticity guarantee with a lot of their bags, a lot of their items. So what will happen when you purchase an item, secondhand even, it will get sent to an authenticator by eBay, officially certified, and it'll come back to you with the authentication card and the verification details in relation to the serial numbers of your bag. Alright, that's it for today's comparison. I hope this helps you spot a fake Gucci bag from a mile away. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more content. I'll see you in the next video. And if I left out any details or anything that you guys want to know, just leave them down in the comments below and I'll be sure to address anything.